as the earlier single judge order allowing censor clearance has now been set aside. The matter has now been sent back to the single judge for fresh consideration, putting the film's release on hold once again. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Dharini, good morning. Big setback there coming in for Vijay's Jannayagan. Can you firstly explain to us what happened in the courtroom today?
A division bench of Chief Justice M.M. Srivastava and Justice G. Arulmurugan have set aside a previous single judge order from the Madras High Court that gave a green signal for CBFC clearance for Vijay's last film Jannayagan, which means that there is going to be no immediate CBFC clearance for Jannayagan and there is going to be a further delay. And the justification that is being given by the division bench for this judgment is that during the hearing in front of the single judge earlier, CBFC was not given enough time to represent themselves. CBFC was not given enough time frame to file a counter affidavit. So without even a counter affidavit from CBFC, the single judge had passed an order giving a green signal for censor clearance is what the division bench feels at this point. So since the division bench feels that the CBFC has not got enough time to make its representation, to make its case before the Madras High Court, now the single judge order has been set aside and the matter has now again been sent to a single judge bench of the Madras High Court for a fresh hearing. So this clearly means that there is going to be no immediate censor clearance for Jannayagan. There is going to be further delay in the release of the movie. Remember, the movie was supposed to hit the screens on the 9th of January for Pongal festival. But because of delay in censor clearance, the movie did not get released in its original date. So subsequently, the filmmakers, they were in fact trying as much as possible to release the movie for Republic Day, that is the 26th of January yesterday. But I know since they couldn't obtain a CBFC clearance even by then, they couldn't release the movie. So now the next possible time frame for them would be the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. It falls close to a weekend, so that could be the best time frame for them in the coming weeks. So it remains to be seen whether there is going to be a CBFC clearance for Jannayagan before February 14 or not. That is something that remains to be seen. But for the time being, the big news for the day is that division bench of the Madras High Court, comprising of Chief Justice M.M. Srivastava and Justice G. Arulmurugan, has set aside the previous single judge order that gave a green signal for immediate censor clearance for Jannayagan. So since this single judge order has been set aside, there is going to be no immediate relief for the filmmakers in this case.
Right. So in a nutshell, it is Tariq Pe Tariq which is continuing for Vijay's Jannayagan, which was supposed to be in fact his last film. And two important takeaways from what happened in the courtroom today, as Dharini was telling us. One, of course, the single judge order that had given a green signal to the film has been set aside because, according to the bench hearing the matter today, CBFC did not get enough time to put across their point of view. Now, Dharini, the question really is what next? What next in this particular case? What exactly is it that the CBFC is asking the makers to do, which perhaps could, get the film a clearance certificate?
Well, the next in the case would be the hearing will again take place in front of a single judge bench, from scratch. So a fresh hearing will take place. Both CBFC and the producers, that is the KVN Productions, they will make their arguments for another time in front of a single judge bench of the Madras High Court. So a fresh round of hearings is on the cards at the moment. So as far as the arguments put forth by both the factions are concerned, if we take the producers, they say that this is a high budget film. We have invested more than 500 crores in this film, and this film was supposed to hit the screens on the 9th of January, but because of delay in censor clearance, it has not been able to hit the screens until now. And because of this inordinate delay, there is a lot of monetary loss that they are incurring, is what the production house has told in the Madras High Court. On the other hand, the CBFCs are telling that they've received a complaint regarding the movie, and this complainant says that they have a problem with certain scenes and dialogues in the film, and based on this complaint, the movie has to be sent to a revision committee. Only after a revision committee watches the movie and only after they give a green signal post modifications, modifications, then they'll be able to give the censor clearance, is what the CBFC says. So these are the crux of the matters as far as the arguments are concerned. And after hearing both sides of the arguments, today the Madras High Court has set aside the previous single judge order, which gave a green signal for immediate UA certification. So now, as I told, the matter will once again be heard by a single judge bench of the Madras High Court. A fresh round of hearing will take place. Both CBFC and the production house, they'll be making their arguments right from the scratch for one more time. And at the end of that hearing, it remains to be seen what is going to be the decision of the Madras High Court.
Well, absolutely. Now, it's going to be heard again, the entire matter. We have seen a lot of hearings in this particular case already taking place, and now in what is being seen as a big setback for actor turned Neta Vijay, the entire matter has again been moved to the single judge bench, and the previous single judge bench that had given a green signal to this film, in fact, has been set aside. That particular order has been set aside because today the court observed that CBFC was not heard properly. CBFC was not given proper hearing in this particular case. So from scratch, once again, the hearing is going to take place. Thank you very much, Dharini, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story.